The biggest lie in the creator economy is that you need hustle to be consistent. Hustle is a variable. Systems are a constant. I'm the founder of Outsourced to Bots, and today I'm showing you the full loop. I've built an autonomous factory that scrapes the global pulse, remixes viral DNA into our brand voice, and maps out a week of high-leverage content in 90 seconds. If you're still staring at a blank screen, you're the worker. It's time to become the architect. Watch the command. I'm configuring a senior strategist agent. I'm telling it to scrape Google Trends and X for AI automation and passive income from the last 24 hours. Hack 1. Never scrape more than 48 hours of data. The internet moves too fast. You want the energy that hasn't peaked yet. Once the agent has the data, it triggers the remix layer. It identifies viral hook styles and translates them into our anti-hustle perspective. We aren't just copying. We are performing attention arbitrage. Now look at the output logic. I commanded the agent to generate 7 LinkedIn posts and 7 X threads. Look at the results in the sheet. Column C is the body text. It's not generic fluff. It's operational intelligence. It's identifying that in 2026, the edge isn't capital. It's knowing which tasks to personally own and which to delegate to a bot. Now, I want you to see the reality of building these systems. We hit 73% of our credits. Most people panic here or try to build the content bank app. The architect move is different. I chose the Monday scheduler because I value the recurring loop over a one-time tool. As you can see, the agent eventually ran out of credits. Hack 2. High leverage research is fuel intensive. If your agent stalls, don't buy more credits immediately. Break the prompt. Run the scrape first, then the generation. Logic over power, every time. The final layer of the factory is the trending hook analysis. Look at this tab. It gives us the viral potential of every angle. It identifies that micro-SaaS powered by AI is an ultra-high ROI model right now. This isn't just a content calendar. It's a business intelligence dashboard. It tells me that the ChatGPT hype is dead, and the era of autonomous pipelines has begun. By the time you see these posts on my LinkedIn, the bot has already moved on to the next trend. The era of the struggling creator is over. Stop being the worker and start being the architect. Build the factory and let the agents handle the rest. The hustle is dead, and everything else is outsourced to bots. I'll see you in the next build.